Former President Donald Trump's trial has reached a critical point as the jury prepares to deliberate. Trump faces 34 felony charges related to falsifying business records. These charges stem from payments made to cover up allegations of an affair with adult film star Stormy Daniels. Although the charges carry substantial penalties, including potential prison time and hefty fines, Trump's legal team has cast doubt on key witness testimonies, particularly that of his ex-attorney, Michael Cohen. Michael Cohen testified that Trump reimbursed him for the hush money paid to Daniels through a series of checks in 2017. The defense, however, has argued that Cohen is unreliable and his testimony is not fully backed by other evidence. For instance, Cohen also admitted to stealing $60,000 from the Trump Organization, which further undermines his credibility. Trump's lawyers focused on these inconsistencies, hoping to prove that the prosecution's case relies too heavily on a flawed witness. The prosecution tried to maintain its stance by presenting more witnesses and evidence, but some key evidence remained uncorroborated. This leaves the jury with a complex decision: to believe Cohen despite his inconsistencies, or to side with the defense and acquit Trump. The jury's decision could be influenced by the closing arguments, as both sides attempt to synthesize their evidence to sway the jurors effectively. If Trump is convicted, it could mean facing up to 136 years in prison if sentenced for all charges. However, legal experts generally believe that even if convicted, the former president is unlikely to serve any time, as he is a first-time offender. Sentencing would ultimately be up to Judge Juan Merchan, who would consider numerous factors before making his decision. Trump has vehemently denied all charges and has labeled the entire trial as a witch hunt aimed at damaging his political future. He has promised retribution against those who oppose him should he be acquitted and re-elected. This raises concerns about potential misuse of power and personal vendettas if Trump becomes president again. This trial is a significant moment in American politics, with ramifications beyond the courtroom. An acquittal could energize Trump's base, increase his chances of winning the upcoming presidential election, and possibly lead to a period of intense political retaliation. Conversely, a guilty verdict would solidify the allegations against him, but may not necessarily end his political career. Ultimately, the jury's decision could set a precedent for how legal systems handle political figures in the future. As tensions run high and the nation watches closely, the outcome of this trial will undoubtedly have long-lasting effects on the American political landscape.